This video will show you how to install the DENSO hybrid wiper blades using the U-hook fixing system. First, lift the arms off the windshield to its highest point. Some cars' wipers need to be moved to the service position or to 12 o'clock. This is because not all wiper arms are designed to be lifted in their normal parked position and can be prevented from doing so by the hood. Then, clean the windshield of the car. Make sure that the new wiper blades are the correct ones. Once the old ones are removed, it can be difficult to fit them back onto the wiper arms. You then remove the old wiper blades by opening the locking latch and sliding the old wiper towards the axis of the leash until it comes off the mount. Inspect the wiper arms for corrosion and imperfections. If these are evident, seek professional advice to ensure their safety isn't compromised. You then gently place the arms back into position. Do not allow the arms to stand on their own or hit the windshield. Take the new DENSO hybrid wiper blades, lift the arms again, and install each wiper by opening the locking latch and slide the wiper blade along the mount until it locks into place. Then, close the locking latch and gently place the arms back into position. Check the wiper system's performance by using the washer fluid spray function. You've now successfully installed the DENSO hybrid wiper blades using the U-hook installation method. For installation instructions of the other wiper blade fixing systems, please refer to the DENSO catalogue.